Acapella, lol. Opo. Acapella kaya kasi ayaw mag-loading yung ano ko, yung isa kong phone. Tignan niyo. Oh, 'di ba? Ganyan lang siya. Ayaw. Tapos pag mag-live ako, ano lang siya, ikot ng ikot. Kaya ang problema nito. Trying to make his way home. Nobody's calling on the phone. Sit for the book, maybe in room. Get a name, what would it be? And would you go it to his ways?